Physics Practical Paper 2023 Group 7. Section No. 1. Question number 1. Find the cross-section of a wire and volume of small sphere using a micrometer screw gauge. Question number 2. Prove the relation is equal to constant by performing an experiment of simple pendulum. Question number 3. Determine the focal length of a concave lens using concave mirror and convex lens. Section No. 2. Question number 4. Evaluate the resistance of a galvanometer by half deflection method and calculate electric current for full scale. Question number 5. Calculate the resistance of thermistor with variation in temperature. Question number 6. Design a burglar alarm using NAND gate. Section number 3. Question number 7. Draw a graph of the following recorded data provided below. Determine the value of slope of this graph. Take t along x-axis. Question number 8. Plot a graph of the following recorded data between v and I, taking v along x-axis. Does this law obey Ohm's law? Why is it so?